Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will break down the analysis of upcoming week of DXY, USDJPY and EURUSD. Let's start with the monthly chart because new month candle will be open on Monday. So that's why it is important to see how last month candle was closed. So if you look at the October month candle, it was closed above the high of the September strongly. So this indicate a strong momentum to the upside, and also the September candle sweep the low of the July and created a strong rejection. So this indicate a bullish momentum, and also the October candle then closes above the high of the September. So that's why I'm expecting a bullish move in the first week of the November. And if then on later weeks, if we see a strong indication, then we can target these uh, breaker block and then FEG. But our first target will be this the high of the August. So that's why based on monthly analysis, I'm expecting a bullish move first to this August high. And now let's look at the weekly chart. So also if you deep dive into weekly, you will see a clear uptrend. Price is creating higher high. This will look clear on daily time frame, but first let's see uh, mark a clear zone on weekly chart. Price is in uptrend. Price sweep the low and created turtle soup liquidity and created a strong rejection to the upside, then created two break of structure, means it break the higher high two times. So this indicate a strong bullish move in DXY. That's why my first target is this high. So on weekly time frame, this is our order block which was also created over here. When price break the higher high, price fall back to the demand, so the discount zone, and tap into this weekly order block and then give a bullish move. So I'm expecting a same pullback to this body of weekly order block, and then to target this month high. So this is my weekly analysis. This is my key zone. Now let's refine this zone on daily time frame. On daily time frame, we have these I mark these two zone. I identify these two zone. First this is daily FEG, and then this is order block, because this order block lead to a strong bullish move which break the structure. So this is our key zone. And also we know that inefficiencies like daily FEG or liquidity voids act as a support. And also this was a rejection because price fall to the downside two times from this zone. So this was a strong resistance, and when price break through this become your support. So that's why I mark this daily order block, because this is a support zone. And also we have daily FEG. So this will be my first entry point, daily FEG point of interest, to target first this high and then this high from monthly and weekly time frame. So this will be my first target. And if price break through this, then I will look for a buy position from this order block, because this order block lead to this bullish move which lead to a break of structure. So that's why I will be waiting for a clean entry model on 30-minute or 15-minute from these two zone, daily FEG and daily order block. Now let's refine and also this line is our order block from weekly time frame, if this confuses you. So basically this is a weekly order block, that's why I refined this zone in daily, which is a clear order block. So that's why I will be waiting for a clean entry model in these two zone. Now let's look at the 4R to refine this even more. First let's show you this on 4-hour chart. This is daily order block and this is daily FEG. I will refine these two zone on 4-hour. So this was the daily order block and I refine it to this order block. But as you can see that price already mitigated this. Price went to the upside, take out this high and then return back to this order block. So this was mitigated order block, that's why I didn't I will not pay attention to this because this is already mitigated. But this order block which lead to a break or structure of this is unmitigated. This is not mitigated. So we also have a clear FEG, that's why I mark this order block instead of this. So this is my extreme PY and this is from daily FEG, which is a daily FEG. So that's why I set my alert on this at the start of FEG. I will wait for a clean entry model. If you don't know my entry model, I have created a detailed PDF or ebook. You will find it in the description for free. I will wait for a clean entry model on 30 minute or 15 minute on these two zone, something like this, to target these highs. Now let's look at the USDJPY. As we know that DXY and USDJPY have positive correlation, so we can expect a same bullish move on USDJPY. First let's start with monthly chart. On monthly time frame, price is like trading in a range, moving in a range. This is range high, this is range low, so it means price is in a consolidation stage. We have three type of market consolidation. It means price move in a range, and we have uptrend as we saw on DXY on monthly and weekly and daily. And then we have third type of market trend, which is consolidation. So on monthly chart, USDJPY is in consolidation between this high and this low. So but recently, if you look at this recent October candle, price break this high and body candle closes strongly above this high. So this indicate a strong momentum, and also price violated this FEG. Most of the time price should respect the FEG to continue to the downside like this. But here price disrespect this means price has a strong momentum to the upside. So I will be waiting for a pullback. If you look at the monthly, and then I will target this high. But as we know that you know that I am a day trader, and I think you will also trade on 15 minute. You are a day trader, so but whenever new candle open or at the start of the new month, I just look at the monthly chart to see how previous candle closes. So this indicate a strong bullish move in the upcoming month, because price was strongly bullish in the previous month. So let's refine this zone on weekly and identify our PYs. If you look at the weekly chart, price in clear uptrend. As I have told you that there are three type of trend: bullish, bearish and ranging. In weekly chart, price in clear uptrend, creating higher high, higher high, higher high. And recently price break through this high, created a break of structure, and then we can expect a down move to the equilibrium or discount, right? But as we can see that price is extremely bullish. I will mark this wick, because wick is a sponsorship zone. On lower time frame, you will see this wick as a down movement, something like this, and to the upside. So this will be a swing on daily and 4-hour. So we will have a order block or FEG on lower time frame inside this wick. So now let's refine this wick in daily time frame. So this is the wick from the weekly time frame. As I've told you that we will find a pullback on the lower time frame 4-hour, because price is fractal nature. So we have this clear order block on daily time frame, and we have this FEG, and also price on is same. This was a strong resistance zone in USDJPY. Also price fall from this zone 2 times, so this was a strong resistance zone, but price break through this with the help of this order block. Means we will have a lot of unfilled order over here of smart money or a big speculator. So I will wait for a price to fall back to this zone. We also have this resistance which will become support, and then I will target the to the upside. This is my first FEG, first line of defense. I will wait for my entry model over here, something like this, in 15 minute or 30 minute, and then between somewhere, this is maybe price come a little bit down to this order block, something like this, but I will plan my long position between this zone. So this is a strong zone. We have FEG, we have this this was resistance which will now act as support, and we also have this order block which created this strong move to the upside and also break this structure. So this zone is a strong zone. I will wait for a price to see how price trade in this zone. So that's why this is a strong zone. And also we have this unmitigated FEG, and this will act as inducement liquidity. This will be our extreme zone. Now let's refine this in 4-hour time frame. And here we have daily FEG. This was daily FEG, then I refine into 4-hour. We have this FEG, remaining FEG, and this order block which lead to a break of structure of these highs. So this become our sponsorship zone, means the strong demand zone. In simple language, this is our strong demand zone, and also this is also our strong demand. This is our first line of defense, and this is our last line of defense. I will wait for price to create structure, buy structure over here or over here on USDJPY, because I am bullish on DXY, that's why. So this was of USDJPY. Now let's look at EURUSD. We know that EURUSD and DXY has negative correlation. So if DXY is bullish and we are planning long position on DXY and USDJPY, then EURUSD become automatically bearish. So we will plan our short position on EURUSD. Let's start with monthly chart. As we know, as you can see that price take a strong rejection, created a strong rejection from this monthly FEG, and created this strong rejection candle on monthly time frame. Then this become our target. So my first target on monthly chart is this: price take out this liquidity of July, high liquidity, tap into this supply zone which was FEG, monthly FEG, and then I will target the low of August. So this is my first target. And also price was previous month candle of October strongly closes below the sorry, this was below the low of September. Same this is exactly opposite as DXY, as you can see. So that's why I am bearish on EURUSD. Now let's refine this zone on weekly chart. Let's look how weekly chart is structure is created. Price, like as you can see, this is exactly opposite as DXY on weekly time frame also. So price take out this liquidity, created a strong rejection candle. This indicate a downside move, and then price break through this, created this order block, went to the downside, and then price tap into this order block and again created a strong move to the downside and lead to a break of structure. So I will be waiting for a price to return back into this zone, this order block, and then on weekly time frame we will refine this zone on daily time frame, because we will have some like a strong zone in this area. So we will later on refine this into lower time frame. This is one resistance zone which can act as supply zone, and we also have this breaker. You can also say breaker, or this was a strong support zone. Price take a strong rejection 1 2 3 4 and then 5 6 7, and then price break through this. So this was a strong support zone, and finally price break through this. So this become our strong, which was a support. Now this will act as resistance. So this area can also act as a supply zone to, then we will target this target. And so this low from the monthly time frame. So this is we have two supply zone from weekly chart. First this, and then this order block. Now let's look at the daily time frame. We have identified these two zones from the weekly. Now let's look at the daily. As we can see that price is in clear downtrend, break of structure to the downside after market structure shift, and then price two times went into the premium zone. Price went into the premium zone, fall to the downside, went into the premium zone, and then fall to the downside. So I will expect a same move to the downside from this premium zone. This is our order block, right, on daily time frame. And we have this breaker block from weekly. This is weekly. This is weekly order block. Let me mark this as weekly OB. This is weekly order block, and this is daily order block. So we have this zone which will act as supply from weekly, daily, and daily. So this is a supply zone. We will wait for our sell model in this zone to form, right? So I will wait for a clean structure over here, and I will place my alert over here. Now let's refine into 4-hour time frame, and this is our strong zone. We also have a clear supply zone and FEG in 4-hour, and this is our weekly order block, this is our daily order block, and this is our weekly breaker block. So this act as a smart strong support zone. Ignore all these order block and from daily, weekly, just focus on this FEG, 4-hour FEG, and wait for a clean entry model, something like this, in 30-minute or 15-minute. If you want a strong confirmation, wait for 30-minute entry model, and if want to enter early in the market, then you can enter in using 15 minutes, sorry. And I also marked this wick because this was overlapping with 4-hour FEG, and this led to a break of structure. So that's why I also mark this as my decisional PY. I will wait for high confirmation over here, because this was a strong support zone. Price give a strong move from this two times from this zone, first, second, and also price respected this zone third time. But this again price fell to the downside, and then now this will become our resistance, support become resistance. So it was also overlapping with the FEG. So we can also expect move like in Asian session, something like this, consolidation, and then London take out the high and give us a clear 15-minute market structure shift, and then I will enter over here. I will wait for high confirmation over here. I will summarize this again. On 4-hour time frame DXY, I will wait for a clean entry model on daily FEG, and on this order block, which is I refine this from weekly order block and daily order block. So these are two PYs on DXY, and then two PYs this on USDJPY, and then on EURUSD I will plan sell position first from this FEG, and then from this is my strong PY. So this was the summary of DXY and USDJPY, and then EURUSD. I only trade on USDJPY and EURUSD. Sometime I trade on GBP USD. So this was my analysis for the upcoming week. I hope you would like this video. Sorry, my English is not that good, and I am working on it, and I hope I will improve this in the future. This will get improved in the future after 50 videos, 70 videos, because everything take time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.